Hello friends, I Riya Sethi.
I Avinash Dangad.
I am Netik Ratnawat.
And I am Ranu Chauhan.
We are the student of class 11th representing the experiment about to determine the strength of sodium hydroxide.
So the required materials are acid base, required indicator, chemical balance, weight box, burette stand, burette, pipette, conical flask, beaker, etc.
So at the place of acid we take oxalic acid, and at the place of base we take sodium hydroxide, and this is a weight box, this is the burette, this is pipette, this is burette stand, and it is a conical flask.
So, first we take the oxalic acid of 3.15 gram and weighing it. Now we are dissolving oxalic acid into water.
And we take unknown quantity of NaOH solution.
And then we suck through pipette. And then we put it into conical flask. We put 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein.
Now we add NaOH solution in burette at the measurement of 0 degree by the help of funnel.
Here first measurement is 0. NaOH solution from burette drop by drop in it, and its color changes to pink by adding NaOH solution. So as you saw, its color changes into pink through the experiment, and we also determined the strength of NaOH.
Thank you for watching us.